In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a lesson presentation in Canva from start to finish. First, open Canva in your browser. Once you're on the home page, look for the Create a Design button and choose Presentation. This sets up the right canvas size and layout, so you're ready to build slides designed for teaching. At this point, you can choose a template that's suitable for lessons or start with a blank presentation. Templates are great if you want a cohesive look quickly, while a blank canvas gives you complete control. If you pick a template, you can still change everything later, so don't worry about committing now. Now let's add your content. On the left panel, click Text. Then add headings, subheadings, and body text. Use headings for slide titles, subheadings for section labels, and body text for explanations or bullet-style points you want to speak to. Keep your text concise and readable. Larger fonts and good spacing help your audience follow along. If you have visuals, go to Uploads to upload images, charts, or diagrams. Place them beside your text to support your key points. And remember to align elements for a clean, professional layout. As your content grows, you'll need more slides. At the bottom of the canvas, click Add Page to create a new slide. Think of each slide as one main idea. To keep everything in the right sequence, organize slides by dragging them left or right in the slide panel. This is especially helpful when you want to reorder sections or move a summary slide to the end. Next, customize your design. Adjust colors and fonts to match your subject or brand, and consider adding elements like shapes and icons to highlight important information. Consistent colors and typography make your lesson feel cohesive and polished. Avoid using too many fonts. 2 or 3 is usually enough. To add a little movement, click Slide, then Transition, and choose an effect. Subtle transitions can keep attention without distracting from your content. Use them sparingly for a professional feel. Before you finalize, preview your slides by clicking Play in the top right. This full-screen view lets you check pacing, alignment, and readability from a viewer's perspective. If anything feels crowded, spread it across more slides. When you're ready to share, click Share, then Download, and choose PDF Standard for digital distribution or PDF Print if you need high-quality prints. Export your file, and your lesson presentation is complete and ready to go.